Hi everybody, this is my first fun sewing video. It is not instructional. It's just that on my other channel where I do give instruction, I get comments about how they enjoy how much I just get to the point and there's not a lot of talking, and I'm a talker and that's really hard to not talk. So in this one, and I'm not really a crafty person, I'm more of a seamstress, but because our church is having a trunk or treat, I decided to wear the costume that I was already making. I like to make costumes. They're not historically correct. Sometimes it's just like a fantasy stuff. And I just like to make them. And then I'm trying to find a fashion photographer or an amateur photographer practicing fashion photography. And then just get pictures, and then that's it. There's no other purpose for it other than it just fulfills something inside of me. And so that's what I'm doing. Now this, I'm doing a steampunk outfit. I found some pictures online, and I'll post pictures during this time to show you, because when I started out, I wasn't planning on doing a video on it. So, but I did record. Just I've gotten used to trying to record things, but when they get too hard, I don't record it because I'm too busy focusing on getting the work done and figuring things out and not wanting to figure out camera angle, lighting, and all that stuff. So I'll just post some pictures up or short video clips of what I've done so far. But I found this hat in the thrift store. Our thrift stores, our Goodwills, sell new costumes during Halloween time. And so I found this one. And I'll post a picture of what it looked like when I got it. With these gears and chains. So I might reuse the gears anyway. And then I was thinking about using some of these, not because it's particularly steampunk, but because they have nice little sayings on them, and I thought this would be a little piece of interest to add to the hat, but I'm not sure yet. So what I decided was to get some lace, and I found this at the thrift store, and I'm going to just kind of tack it on. I've got my hot glue gun. Everything's gonna be hot glue because this just feels like a kind of a cardboard with some kind of flocking on it. It's not a real hat. I mean, not in a quality sense. So I'm just going to hot glue this on. Hopefully not overdo it, just so it lays nicely. You know, when I do my sewing videos, I understand what people say, because when I watch instructional videos, I don't like when people ramble on about things. I like to just for them to talk about what they're doing and what the instructions are. So I understand that because I'm the same way. But I also love other videos where people are talking, because I'm not a particularly private person. Although I do be careful. I am careful because social media, and you don't know who's watching your videos. But I'm not really a super private person. I'm careful though. So, but I do enjoy hearing people, you know, talk about their life and things like that while they're doing their thing. So anyway, get these on here. I'm trying to work out. I want it to look snug against it. I don't want any gaping going on in here. I'm really nervous about doing these videos in like part 1, part 2, because the kind of person I am, sometimes it's hard to follow up with part 2 because you figure out, oh gosh, I really don't know how to finish this job. And I did that on my my kilt. But I put in the video, I don't really know how to do it. I'm just going to try it. But I haven't done part 2 because I haven't figured it out. And the guy, the master kilt maker, his way of teaching or whatever is not my style of learning, so it makes it really hard. I mean, he does excellent work, so I'm gonna have to go back and figure that out. And so hopefully this will just be one video, and I'll follow up with the top, because I was going to make a top and then I thought, well, I'm running out of time and maybe I should repurpose something, and I'm not really good at that either, so we'll see. I do alterations and I sew, but remaking something is not my jam. Well, what I can't fix in gaping, hopefully I can cover up with flowers. So this is the front. I'm not going to worry about it being perfect. It is just a costume. I may never wear it again. I'll probably just wear it for the photo shoot, for the trunk or treat, and it'll probably hang on my wall. So, ow, burned myself. Or maybe I'll pass it on to the grandkids or whatever. We'll see. I just got back from visiting my granddaughter, my daughter who had a baby, my granddaughter. And my grandson kind of, when he gets mad, he hits his head. So I thought, I'll make a helmet for him so he'll think he's having fun. But at the same time, it's protecting him from banging his head on the floor when he gets angry. And I think it's because he can't talk yet. Lack of communication is frustrating even for a child. So, okay, not perfect, but I'm not going for perfection. And then the goggles. I don't think I'm going to glue the goggles. I think I'm just going to leave them on there like this. Because if I want to reuse them, put them on upside down. If I want to reuse them for another project, I can. I'm doing this one first because it's getting down to the wire and I don't have a lot of the costume put together, so I figured I'd start with the easiest and get that done so I have a sense of accomplishment on my outfit. This is cool, they have adjustable straps. Okay, so there's, I don't know which way I'm going to do the video. So there's that. And then I bought these flowers because I knew the colors I wanted. And I'm going to place them on this side. So I think I'll place it and then I'll kind of glue it in place. And hopefully I'm happy with it. I want this. I'll put this under the strap. Ow, I burned myself again. Haberdashery. Okay. Put this here. I guess when you glob it, it just takes a little longer to dry. trying to think if I want it out more or up more. Probably out more. There we go. I think that's it. So what I'm doing is I'm just shoving the stems underneath the hat band or the goggle band and gluing them straight to the lace, which will probably get on the goggle band anyway. So anyway, that's what it looks like. And on the last video, I will probably show you the whole outfit, but that's the hat I'm using. Now, I don't know, I'm probably thinking, no, I don't think I'm gonna put these on. Maybe the gears on one side. Couldn't hurt. I'll use the fingers of the skeleton so I don't burn mine. Okay, so maybe put these on the side. Yeah, I think I'll do that. There's enough going on the other side. I'll put these on this side. Hopefully without burning myself. So I think I paid $8 or $9 for the hat, and it just came with the goggles, I believe. I will post a picture of the before, and then we can decide, or we can see. But yeah, I just put those there on that side. Flowers, and that's it. That's what I'll wear. And then my next video is going to be the vest. This is the pattern that I'm using here. This is not my size, so I'm gonna have to grade it up to fit me. So that should be interesting. I don't have the leather with me right now. I can go black or I can go brown. This is my black, but I don't, if the hat is brown, I think I want to stay with the brown leather, so I'm not going to do the black. So we'll see. That's it. That was a really quick one for this hat. Again, not reaching for perfection, just enjoying it. So hope you guys like it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks, bye.